Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add music in TikTok Live Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your TikTok Live Studio software and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you're inside Live Studio, open a web browser and go to any music platform you want to use. In this example, I'm using Spotify, but you can also use YouTube Music or any other platform you prefer. Just play the music you want in the browser and keep it running in the background. After that, go back to TikTok Live Studio and look at the left side of the screen. Under the Sources section, click the plus icon to add a new source. When the Add Source window appears, select Window Capture and then click Add. Now, from the list of available windows, choose the browser window where your music platform is playing, such as Spotify, and then click Add Source. Once the source is added, simply play the music in your browser. The audio will now automatically be captured and played inside your TikTok Live Studio. You can confirm this by checking the audio activity indicators. If you see the sound levels moving, that means your music is already playing on your live stream. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add music in TikTok Live Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.